Oh, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 is here. Okay, well, in case y'all didn't hear me the first time, yo, what's up, yo, what's up? This Dominoes 7 here, okay? On Instagram Live, eventually on YouTube, y'all, okay? Yeah, this one is blowing hard, y'all. Very, very hard. Whoa. As I said on the last video, well, this one is blowing hard. Look like this is lingering. I heard a voice. I don't know who the hell is saying what, you know. So anyway, y'all. What the hell? Y'all heard that? You see, it's when it's blowing hard as hell, you know. All right. Look at this. Hard wind, hard wind. Oh shit. Excuse my language, y'all. Okay. Whoa! It's not summertime, it's winter time! Whoa! I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. Shit. Sorry, excuse my language once again. Look like these tree branches is lingering, y'all. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Strong wind. All right, so. All right. Look at this tree branch lingering. I mean, strong wind like that is gonna probably snap. Who knows? Okay. On this Instagram Live, I hope this wire thing don't snap. Oh, there you go. See how that? See, look at this. See how that thing keep turning? Oh shoot! Focus camera. I know it's windy. Okay. Oh yeah, that thing done. Oh wow. Okay. So that's all I'm gonna say for right now. Now I'm about to go back to YouTube. Okay. YouTube Live, I should say. Okay. All right.